Well, I can tell you this, Portia, this roads matter and the demand for roads to be fixed, not ending anytime soon. In fact, Irate youth from about 6 communities along the Inchaban junction to Manso Road in Sekindi, Takrade have protested the poor nature of the roads. The youth insisted they will not clear a blockade until they see road construction equipment ready to rehabilitate the stretch.
The charged youth blocked the road at about 5 a.m. Tuesday morning. 4 separate sessions were blocked, preventing any form of commuting. The youth complained that pregnant mothers are losing their babies due to the bumpy nature of the road. Residents and shopkeepers also complain of incessant dust from speeding trucks through the town. According to them, several pleas and protests have yielded no results. They have resolved not to open the road until they see machines ready to rehabilitate it. After about 3 hours into the demonstration, Sekindi Takrade Mayor Abdul Issa Mumin, together with the Takrade Divisional Police Commander ACP Yao Tetega and other officers, came to the scene to plead with the youth to clear the road. But they insisted that the assurance was not good enough.
In fact, we've not heard anything. Why can we be convinced with such narrow promises? In fact, from about 5 years coming, this is the same promises we've been hearing. We even thought he is coming to tell us that Friday machines are coming to grade the road and start serious work. The late Honorable KKSM last 2 years gave us the same promise. I don't know whether it's a written note that they read before coming here. We can't accept these promises. No, we are not convinced at all.
After a 2-hour meeting with some of the companies along the stretch, the mayor and the team came back to their youth to inform them of the outcome amidst pleas.
Yeah, companies in the casino. When you know what you have to do as part of one corporate social responsibility.
When we spoke to them, they agreed to fix the roads as part of their corporate social responsibility. God willing, from today to Friday, we will deliberate on the way forward.
Friday,
but the youth will still not agree. Not even the heavy presence of police personnel would deter them.
MC Wabaha, we be doing work. I'm a nice talk. But then can say, no, time no cost one for man. This will come out. What do you know with it?
The MC says we should give him more time to fix the road. He should provide a roadmap on fixing it. Else, we would take matters in our own hands.
I want you be on the car. See, Mamma Casamento. I am the but I am the can't. I am what's there? MC, what's MC in your con? I am so. Never knock at a master. No, only in your car. MC in your con. The happy no corner. One can for your corner. I'm on the fire corner. Not the fire corner. Then they should go. MC is to go and come back again.
Dotted on the road are over 15 different companies. This will be the 3rd time that the youth are demonstrating over the poor nature of the road.